Sometimes you may come to a point where you need to create a temporary email address. For example, you're trying to test out someone's website and it requires you to have an account, which means you need to sign up. So instead of using your email address, which you may be worried that they might spam your email address, you want to use a temporary email address just for the sake of signing up and check out the website that they have. So one tool that you can use is to create a disposable temporary email address. So if you go to temp-mail.org, you'll find a page like this, which has a temporary email at the top here. So what you do is you just copy this email address and use this email address to sign up for that website. And then the email will appear down here, which is from the sender, subject, and view. So you can also use this to test your email newsletter. For example, before you send out the newsletter to your subscribers, you can use this temporary email address. Now I'm going to demonstrate it here. I'm going to send an email to this address, and I will type, just say, hi, hello, you. Say, what's up? Okay, and I click on send. Message is sent. So I return here. And if I just refresh this page, so let's just give it for a while. There you have it. So you see that I actually sent an email to this temporary email address over here. And I can always click on this email to check it out. And I can see the content. I can see the link to confirm my email address or whatsoever. So that's how you create a temporary email address.